Hey, what's up guys? Rudelinel here, come back at you with another batch tutorial. Alright, now in the last video we've been taking a look at how we can manipulate strings. And we started with substrings, getting a piece of the string, only getting a small amount from like a certain position or offset in that string. We could move it and try and get to a different position of the string, and we would get returned only that space in between. Now we could work from the beginning of the string, we could work from the end of the string, and that sort of thing. But now I want to introduce you guys something new. String substitution. So let's get ready to rock. I'll bring CMD down. Let's get Notepad ready for us. And let's not waste any time here. Read a new script. I'll overwrite whatever I've got. And set local. Did I spell that right? I did not. Sorry guys, I never graduated the 3rd grade. Okay, cool. So let's create ourselves a variable. I'll say set var. Um, let's say the cat in the hat ate the mat. Okay, so we'll echo that out. Echo, not echo. I don't even know what I just said there. And we'll put in var, and we'll use some variable expansion. Sorry, I almost forgot the word there. I almost said variable explosion, and that is not the word that I wanted. But because we're using these exclamation points, is because we have enabled delayed expansion. We could be using the percent signs as we usually do, but that's why. Just a quick review in case you guys forgot. And let's check out our script though. Let's move over to this here, CMD, and we'll run our script. And it says the cat in the hat ate the mat. Okay, so we want to be able to change some things around. Now, if you guys remember the syntax that we were using in the last video, we'd used a colon, and then the way we can work though in this video is actually supplying what we wanted to change and then changing it with anything. Because we can say cat, and what we'll do to represent what we can change it to equals cat equals dog, cat equals dog. And we do this, the dog in the hat ate the mat. Now that doesn't rhyme and it's not as funny, but we did something cool here. We learned. So we can do this with anything. If we had more in here though, if we had more cats, cat, 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 it'll replace all of them. Dog in the hat ate the mat, dog, 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 dog. And so we can do this with some more things. So we could actually set this to be a variable. Set new var. We could actually just change it to var and even overwrite it. Now nothing happens, and we can echo out var, and we can change the dog in the, let's say dog in the, what is he wearing? What is he wearing? Sombrero. I don't even know how to spell sombrero. I'm not going to do that. Raincoat. The dog in the raincoat. The raincoat and the cat. Okay, I set dog to, my bad. I should change it to hat. The dog in the raincoat ate the mat. Dog, 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 dog. Dog, 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 dog. So there you go, guys. This is how you can substitute any part of the string to something else. Now, since we're using whatever is following this equal sign, that's what makes the difference. We could potentially have it remove every instance of what we find here. We could just say we can get rid of hat, that sort of thing. We can get rid of cat. So now it says ate the mat, and that's pretty funny. And we've got some extra space in there though, so let's actually remove the spaces following, because we can do that. Ate the mat cat. But because this cat does not have anything following it, or at least not according to the variable, it's not going to remove this final one, because there is no space after it, assuming, that sort of thing. But that's exactly how we do it. Now, we don't have to be using these exclamation points, especially if you're not using delayed variable expansion, but that is how you do it. You do have this sort of format between the colon and the equal sign is really what makes the difference here. Well, let's check it out and actually doing it in CMD, because I want to show you guys that you can do this outside of a batch script. If I set a string, let's say I want to echo out the variable of that, actually the value of that string, and let's change the T, actually the I to the O. Now it says strong instead of string. So, you know, you can do it in CMD as well. It doesn't have to be in a script. And you've got some options here. This can make things pretty interesting. You can replace and change things. And if we were to build our own sort of like string manipulation functions, like we might do later on, who knows? Maybe we can make some pretty cool stuff. But thank you guys for watching, though. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.